An emergency food relief project was signed by the German Consul General Holger Ziegeler and the CEO of the Balochistan Rural Support Program BRSP, Dr. Shahnawaz Khan, in Karachi on 29th of August 2022 to provide food aid for 1,000 families for 2 months in Lasbela district, Balochistan. After the signing ceremony, the Consul General remarked, "This will help flood-stricken families with their immediate nutrition needs and allow them to focus on other pressing issues." Dr. Shahnawaz said, "We appreciate the generous support of the people of Germany. The disaster is so extensive that Government of Pakistan and NGOs need the help of the international community as well, so that we can address rehabilitation through education, health, and clean drinking water." The funds were made available by the German Federal Foreign Office's Humanitarian Assistance on appeal from the Consulate General. The German government is working closely with Pakistani authorities, international organizations, and NGOs for further assistance.